Tonight, new video shows images captured by police body cameras when officers shot and killed a man in Ventnor last month. A warning, you may find this disturbing. According to investigators, police found Amir Johnson walking in and out of a marshy area while holding a broken glass bottle in his hand. This was back on August 6th. As you can see, one officer gets out of his taser. He says it's not working, and then a number of officers fire their weapons after they say Johnson advanced toward them and ignored their orders to drop the bottle. Johnson died at the hospital. New Jersey's Attorney General's office is now investigating as required by state law.